When your backpack feels heavy, every mile becomes harder, and the journey quickly turns exhausting. Long hikes aren't just about distance, they're about how efficiently you carry your gear. That's where ultralight backpacking gear makes a huge difference, helping you reduce weight without sacrificing comfort or essentials. In this video, I'll be breaking down some of the best ultralight backpacking gear that can completely transform your hiking experience. If you want to check current prices or grab any of these items, you'll find all the links in the description and pinned comment. Number 1. Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock. Sometimes the best part of a backpacking trip isn't the hike, it's the moment you finally get to relax. And the Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock makes that moment even better. Made from soft yet durable parachute-grade nylon, it's breathable, quick-drying, and strong enough to support up to 500 pounds in the double version. Despite its strength, it's incredibly lightweight, just about 24 ounces, and packs down to the size of an eggplant, so it won't take up valuable space in your backpack. Setup is quick and beginner-friendly, thanks to the included tree straps and carabiners. You can easily adjust the height to find your perfect relax spot in seconds. Whether you're sleeping under the stars, lounging by the fire, or just taking a break on the trail, this hammock delivers comfort anywhere. For ultralight backpackers who want to relax without carrying extra bulk, it's a simple upgrade that makes every trip more enjoyable. Lightweight, packable, waterproof rain jacket. Nothing ruins a hike faster than getting caught in unexpected rain, and that's why a reliable rain jacket is non-negotiable. This lightweight, packable, waterproof rain jacket is designed to keep you dry without weighing you down. Made from high-quality waterproof and windproof fabric, it blocks rain and cold gusts so you stay comfortable no matter the conditions. The adjustable wide-brim hood gives you better coverage and visibility during heavy downpours, which is a huge plus when you're on the move. And when the weather clears up, it packs down neatly into its own compact storage bag, taking up almost no space in your backpack. Number 3. Nature Hike 45-liter Lightweight Backpack. If you're just getting into ultralight backpacking and want one pack that does it all, the Nature Hike 45-liter backpack is a solid pick. It weighs only 2.7 pounds, which keeps your base weight low without sacrificing storage space. The 40 plus 5-liter capacity is perfect for weekend trips or even light multi-day hikes. What makes this pack stand out is its balance of comfort and durability. The 420D nylon fabric is tough, scratch-resistant, and water-repellent, while the included rain cover gives you extra protection when the weather turns. The ergonomic back panel and breathable mesh padding help reduce strain so you can hike longer without feeling exhausted. You also get smart storage with multiple pockets, compression straps, and a large mesh compartment for quick access gear. For beginners, this backpack hits the sweet spot: lightweight, comfortable, and versatile enough to handle almost any outdoor adventure. Number 4. LHKNL Rechargeable Headlamp. Ever tried setting up camp in the dark with a flashlight in one hand? It's frustrating, and that's exactly why the LHKNL Rechargeable Headlamp is a must-have for backpacking. This ultralight headlamp weighs under 2 ounces, so you'll barely notice it on your head, but it delivers seriously bright illumination that can light up your entire campsite. One of the standout features is the motion sensor mode. Just wave your hand to turn it on or off, perfect when your hands are dirty or full. Plus, with 8 different lighting modes, including red light and SOS, you're ready for anything from night hikes to emergencies. The built-in rechargeable battery lasts up to 10 hours, and you can even use it while charging. It's also IPX4 waterproof, so rain won't slow you down. For beginners, this is one of those small upgrades that makes a huge difference in safety, convenience, and overall trail experience. Number 5. Fun Pack Ultralight Sleeping Pad. A bad night's sleep can ruin your entire backpacking trip, but the FunPack Ultralight sleeping pad is designed to make sure that never happens. This pad inflates to a thick, cushioned surface that keeps you off hard, uneven ground, so you wake up refreshed instead of sore. The built-in pillow adds extra neck support, making it feel surprisingly close to your bed at home. What really makes this stand out is the built-in foot pump. In about 30 to 60 seconds, it's fully inflated. No blowing air, no extra gear. When it's time to pack up, it deflates in just a second. Weighing only about 1.5 pounds and packing down to the size of a water bottle, it's perfect for ultralight travel. Plus, you can connect two pads together to create a double sleeping space. Number 6. CovaCure Collapsible Trekking Poles. If your knees start aching halfway through a hike, you're not alone, and that's exactly where the CovaCure Collapsible Trekking Poles come in. These poles are built from aircraft-grade 70-75 aluminum, which means they're tough enough to handle rough terrain without snapping under pressure. What really stands out is the tri-fold collapsible design. You can adjust the length to match your height, then fold them down to under 14 inches when you're not using them. Perfect for slipping into your backpack without hassle. The quick lock system makes adjustments fast and secure, even on the trail. Comfort is another big win here. The EVA foam handles are sweat-absorbent and easy to grip, while the adjustable wrist straps help reduce strain on your hands during long hikes. Whether you're tackling steep climbs or uneven paths, these trekking poles improve balance, reduce joint stress, and make every step feel more controlled and stable. Number 7. Close to Nature Lightweight Backpacking Tent. If you're backpacking solo, having a reliable tent can make or break your trip. And the Close to Nature Lightweight Tent has you covered. This ultralight tent weighs just under 3 pounds on the trail and packs down to a tiny 15 by 5 by 5 inches, making it easy to carry in your backpack without adding bulk. Despite its light design, it offers a roomy 7-foot by 2.8-foot interior, plenty of space for one person and their gear. Setup is fast and simple, even for beginners, thanks to freestanding design and 2 aluminum poles. The polyester fly with PU 5000 coating and factory-sealed seams keeps you dry in rain or wind, while mesh interior walls provide ventilation and comfort. Reinforced poles, adjustable guy lines, and a D-shaped door with side vestibule make it stable, wind-resistant, and practical for storing essentials. For ultralight hikers who want protection, comfort, and portability, this tent is a dependable all-season companion. Number 8. Wild Hiker Ultralight Backpacking Chair. After a long day on the trail, the last thing you want is an uncomfortable seat, but the Wild Hiker Ultralight Backpacking Chair solves that. Weighing just 2.8 pounds and folding down to a compact 5.5 by 6 by 13 inches, it fits easily in your backpack, car trunk, or motorcycle case. Despite being lightweight, it holds up to 330 pounds thanks to its reinforced triangular frame and thickened legs. Large, detachable anti-sinking feet keep it stable on sand, mud, grass, or rocky terrain, so you won't tip over while relaxing. The breathable mesh back and deep seat provide ergonomic comfort, while a convenient side pocket keeps essentials close. Whether you're enjoying a sunrise after a hike. Number 9. Ultralight Titanium Camping Cookware Set. If you're serious about ultralight backpacking, every ounce counts, and that's where the Ultralight Titanium Camping Cookware Set shines. This isn't just any pot. It's made from 99.9% pure titanium, so there's no metal taste, no rust, and it's completely safe for cooking your meals on the trail. The set is cleverly designed as a 4-in-1 system: a 750-milliliter pot with lid, a 1900W titanium stove, a spork, and a mesh storage bag. That means you've got everything you need for boiling water, making oatmeal, or brewing fresh coffee in one compact package. Weighing just 7.77 ounces, it's ultra-light and won't weigh down your pack, perfect for multi-day hikes or quick weekend treks. The stove heats evenly and efficiently, cutting down wait time, and the foldable handles make it easy to store or carry. Cleanup is simple too, which is a big plus when you're out in the wilderness. From alpine expeditions to casual camping trips, this cookware set is the ultimate trail companion for anyone who wants convenience, performance, and weight savings all in one. Number 10. Q-Zir Down Sleeping Bag. Ever struggled with a bulky sleeping bag that's impossible to fit in your backpack? Meet the ultimate solution for ultralight backpacking, the Q-Zir Down Sleeping Bag. This baby weighs just 1.54 pounds and compresses down to a tiny 10.6 by 5.5 inches, so you can finally leave the clunky polyester bag at home. Imagine hiking all day and not having your gear weigh you down. Inside, it's packed with 600 fill premium duck down, keeping you cozy even when temperatures dip to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. The semi-rectangular design gives you more room to stretch, and clever features like a foot zipper for ventilation and a double zipper to block cold air make sure you sleep comfortably. Two bags can even zip together for a double sleeping setup, perfect for camping with a partner. Durable, tear-resistant nylon keeps this bag lasting season after season, and dense stitching ensures the down stays exactly where it belongs. Lightweight, warm, and surprisingly roomy, this sleeping bag is your go-to for stress-free nights under the stars.